Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be reviewing a Scarlet Hill eyeshadow. Now this eyeshadow, I'm not sure what it retails for, but these are the beautiful colors. It does have the covering with all the names on it, so we're going to go through everything together. So guys, come on, let's go. So guys, if you have watched yesterday's video, I did do the swatches on this palette. So I have seen it before, I have used it before, but just to do swatches. And the colors here, this one is called Black Dress. Okay, let's put this here. So this one is Black Dress. This one is Hey Girl. This is like a nudish kind of color. This is called Friday Night because it's like pop. Then we've got Java, we've got Cheers, we've got After Hours. Ooh, okay. Then we've got Classy, we've got My Jam, and we've got See Right. I don't know how you pronounce that, but anyway, let's hop into this. So on this eye, I'm feeling like a whole kind of smokish, like a smoky eye, but in like black to nude, with also a little bit of glitter. And I'm thinking on this side, let's do a purple smoky eye. In that way, we will end up using all the colors. So guys, I did get my nails done. My nail tech is Kaylee, and these are what my nails look like. Okay, so it's a bit yellow because my mom cooks with turmeric, so they're a bit yellow, but these are what they look like. This is literally a 6-hour set, more like a 5-hour to 6-hour set. So guys, let's hop into this video. So guys, I did prime my eye, so now I'm just going to go straight in with the eyeshadow. It's so hot that this does not have a. So first we're going in with the black over here. If you guys did see my yesterday's video, the black did not have a lot of pigment, but let's see today. It's actually not that bad. I'm still going in with Black Dress, and I'm going to apply a little bit more color to the eyelid because I like my smoky eye a bit dramatic. And since it is so dark, I'm going to have to blend it out with the brown that is here. So this brown is called After Hours. So I'm going to blend it out with After Hours and then come back in with See Right, whatever that thing is. So now I'm just going in with some After Hours and blending that. And now I'm going in with See Right. Dear Scarlet Hill, please keep a mirror in your eyeshadow palette. Next, I'm gonna go in with Hey Girl, which is this color right here, and just bring that to the tip. In that way, I create some space for a little bit of glitter. So just a little bit more of Hey Girl. Now just to top it off and add a little bit of glitter, I'm going to go in with some of this. I think it's called Classy Girl. Oh no, it's just called Classy. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this just to add some shine. Hey, you wanna marry me? Okay, so I do see the shine. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on camera. And now, last but not least, I'm gonna go in with this color here and just add some glitter to the inner corner of my eye. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think at the end I'm gonna go in and pop on the lashes, but for now let's just go in and tackle the next eye. So guys, with the next eye, I'm feeling to go in with, let me drop this palette down. I'm feeling to go in with this purple, followed by blending out with Hey Girl, then followed by adding on some glitter to the eye, just the way I did here with the black, since there was a nice black here. Thereafter going in and filling in my corners. Thereafter going in and filling my inner corner of my eye, just like how I did on this side. Next, I'm going in with the Hey Girl and just blending out the top. Now I'm gonna go in with a light color to just clean up the inner corners. Now I'm going in with my glitter over here. Putting this up here. And now last but not least, we're going in with the glitter of the bubble. I'm just gonna go in and add my lashes and mascara, and I'll be back. And this is a yes. I suggest you purchase this. I'm not sure what it retails for, but these are the amazing colors. I'm sure they do have other palettes. This is the Smoky Eye palette. Here's what it looks like, so if you want, you can get your hands on it. So guys, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.